Let's talk about scrolling in Jira because Atlassian just rolled out a new feature that I'm actually excited about, and it solves a pretty big problem that I've had in the past, and I'm excited to share this new infinite scrolling feature with you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you drop a like, and if you have any questions and you need some one-on-one help, check out that link tree down below. I have 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour blocks of time so that I can help you answer your Jira questions, and if you need a little extra help, I can also help solve problems for you. So let's jump into Jira and let's take a look at their new infinite scrolling feature. All right, so here I am inside of Jira and I'm just searching for issues. And this is the best way for me to demonstrate this picture for you. But essentially, this will work in any project as long as you're looking for issues, right? So whether you're in that issues view of a Jira project or whether you just go to the search here and you click on view all search all the way at the bottom, this is going to work regardless, okay? So once you're here, you're going to remember. Okay, I'm gonna clear this little box. I hate this dirty box, right? But you're gonna remember that when you are looking for issues in Jira, you are paginated and limited to 50 issues at a time, right? And I'm gonna show you an older UI, and you will see that down here, right? I see 1 out of 50, right? There's 51, but I am paginated. So if I move my face here, you're gonna see that I'm on page 1 of 2, and then I can go to page 2 and see the next 50. Right? But in this new view, you're going to notice that that 1 out of 50 isn't displayed. In fact, when I remove my face here, you're going to notice that there's 50 out of 896. And all I need to do, which I think is kind of cool, is just start scrolling down. And as you get to the bottom, Jira is going to load more issues. And now you'll notice that we have 100 out of 896. And so we can just keep going and just keep scrolling, and Atlassian will load more issues. And it just goes on and 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 on. And I think this is such a cool thing because boy, is it annoying to do the pagination and go one by one by one, especially when you're looking for an issue and you're like, oh boy, it's like in page 10, right? Well, you could get to like page 5 and then you had to go to like page 6 and then you have to do one by one. You couldn't skip around. And so now you can just scroll forever and find what you're looking for. So I think this is a very welcome and very awesome change that just makes that experience of Jira that much better, right? I love just being able to scroll through this. This is a really cool experience, really, really cool feature. Atlassian, awesome that you introduced this because I think it just makes the overall interaction with finding your work a little bit easier. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button. And if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, help us get to 100,000 subscribers and hit that subscribe button right now. And finally, if you need any help with Jira, I am available and I have a link tree down below where you can sign up for 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, or if you need more time, let me know and we can work something out. But I do offer one-on-one help. So if you need any of that, check out that link tree down below. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.